Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Volvo XC90 key fob full guide. Start by removing the metal key and prying open the fob seam with a flat tool. Carefully separate the halves and note the battery orientation before removing the old CR2032 cell. Use a soft cloth and gentle pressure to seat the new battery. Reassemble the fob, test the buttons, and reinsert the metal key for final use. Begin by sliding out the emergency metal key and locating the case seam. Use a thin, flat tool at the designated notch and twist gently to pop the halves apart. Take a photo of the battery orientation so you can replace the CR2032 correctly. Remove the battery with a plastic pick to prevent shorts and avoid touching the new cell with bare fingers. Keep small parts safe and work on a clean surface for reassembly. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more quick car tips for you. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy gadget for keeping manuals, instructions, and ebooks at your fingertips when working on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel, and grab one if you find it useful. Now let's get back to the video. When installing the new CR2032, confirm the polarity matches the photo you took earlier and place the cell gently into its cradle. Press the fob halves together firmly until they click, ensuring no gaps remain. Reinsert the metal key and test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm success. If a button does not respond, reopen the case to reseat the battery or try another fresh CR2032 before assuming a deeper fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.